Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. This evening we're in Laos. On tonight's menu is pork larb. The late morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. The mini jacuzzi is ready. The noodles are doing their thing in the mini jacuzzi. Heating up some oil in the brazier. I add most of the goodies and start to saute. Then I add the pork mince and cook to brown. Once they're brown, I add the noodles. Then I add the fish sauce and the lime juice. Then the cilantro and the mint. And here's the larb finished in the brazier. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.